In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 with Chat GPT. So if you want to know how to make $100 with Chat GPT, stick with me to the end of this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $100 with Chat GPT. For those who don't know what Chat GPT is a free AI online tool that can enable you to do anything from scripting to writing articles, even just to chat, and you can do literally anything with Chat GPT. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you. You'll learn how to make $100 with Chat GPT. And for those of you who are new to this channel, please leave a like on this video, subscribe, and comment down below where you're watching this video from, and it will really help the algorithm, guys. So please do that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, now as you can see, I'm in my computer. I'm now on the Chat GPT site. So now the first thing we want to do, in order to make this $100 from Chat GPT, the first step we have to do is to write an article. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask Chat GPT to come up with 10 article ideas that we can write. So I'm going to ask, come up with 10 article ideas on how to lose weight. Okay. And as you can see, ChatGPT is generating 10 article ideas. So we have 10 simple and effective workouts for weight loss at home, the science behind weight loss, a beginner's guide to intermittent fasting, how to create sustainable meal plan, breakthrough plateaus, the role of stress management in weight loss, mindful eating, the power of protein, navigating social situations, from couch to potato, fitness enthusiast. So you can see there are 10 interesting articles that Chat GPT has generated for us. So I think I'll pick, let's pick the power of protein, incorporating protein-rich foods for weight loss, which is idea number 7. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me an article of, let's say, 750 words of this article. So I'm going to say, write me an article of 750 words on the power of protein incorporating protein rich foods for weight loss. So I'm going to hit the enter key and let's see what it generates. You can see, guys, Chat GPT is really good. It has a way it writes everything for you automatically, and yeah. So now we have this article here. So the next step that we want to do is to take this article I'm going to copy this article and I'm going to take it to a site called Spinbot. Because what we don't want is plagiarism in the article. So you're going to have to take this article to Spinbot to change the article around. Okay? Now, in the last step, what we're going to do, remember this article we've just taken to Spinbot. Now it's a completely new article. Okay? Spinbot has helped us to rewrite this article in its own original format. So the last step, since you've stuck with me to the end of this video, I request, guys, please, if you're liking this video, give it a subscribe to this channel, like the video, and comment what your thoughts about this video are, so that I can know how to make more videos like this. So the last step is you go to list verse. This verse is an article platform where people submit lists. Okay, they submit articles, but here they're called lists, and there are so many types of topics people write about. There's music, animals, technology. Here somebody has written something, a topic about top big problems that are being solved using sound. Another person has written about the 10 best grunge era rock songs, top 10 most heartbreaking facts about Jonestown. So yeah, there are so many topics, and they're actually requesting for writers. So if you click here if you click on this tab, you go to more, then you go to write and get paid. Okay, so you can actually take articles written from Chat GPT and you rewrite them using Spinbot, and then you can come to this website, Listverse, and then you submit your article here, and here you can see what they say. Get paid $100. Do you want to earn money online? Listverse was built on the efforts of readers just like you, readers who didn't have any experience as writers. So here's the deal: we'll pay you $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humor, and a love of things for unusual or interesting. So that's how, guys, you can actually make money with Chat GPT, and you can submit your article here and earn $100 if they accept it. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned something new today. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and leave a like so that I can make more videos like this. Until next time, bye.